everybody, my name is Kateryna Gonchar. Today I will show you very interesting abstract design. For our work we will need white gel polish, neon green gel polish, magic shine or any other top coat, liner gel black, brush pen and detailer number 3. I'm using brush pen and black liner gel. Now I will make the main lines a bit thicker than other part of design. And we need to cure it. Now we will put shadows in our design. Putting black line and fade. First, I am putting transparent green. I'm taking clear and mixed, but it's very important that in middle part, in center part, you have clear color without green on it. Now I'm taking darker green color and making like a frame. And fade, but not all stone in center. It stay white and light green. Every next layer have smaller size than previous. Now with darker green I put color on our stone, but the line is smaller and I fade just a little bit. Now I will use pure black and I will make a very thin line with black. And I fade it. Now with white gel polish I will put some light on the dark part of our stone. I'm sealing. Done, and I'm cured. We sealed our design top coat cured, and now I will show you what we get.